Students, other day we discussed electrolysis of molten or fused sodium chloride, which is a very important answer. An electrolytic cell where electrical energy is utilized to convert it into chemical energy. The circuit तुम्हाला पटकन दाखवते. Container assembly बघा ही. The other day we had drawn container. Okay. In this we place electrodes, which are made up of graphite. The electrodes are inert, meaning they do not participate in the chemical reaction, students. The electrodes do not participate in chemical reaction. Okay. One is anode, one is cathode. At anode, chlorine gas is liberated, which is greenish color, and at anode and at cathode, sodium, silvery white sodium metal is liberated or deposited. Okay, done. झालं हे एवढं. आता काय करायचं मला? Today I am not going to teach you electrolysis of molten sodium chloride. Today we are going to discuss electrolysis of aqueous sodium chloride, meaning the fused or molten sodium chloride is obtained by heating salt, normal salt or sodium chloride to a very high temperature. But aqueous sodium chloride is formed by dissolving salt in water. Student, ते परवा जे शिकवलं fused or molten sodium chloride होतं, हाँ, जिथं where we had to heat sodium chloride to a very high temperature in such a way that it is obtained in molten form. But today we are not going to discuss that. We are going to replace that molten sodium chloride by aqueous sodium chloride. Aqueous sodium chloride means sodium chloride simple dissolved in water. Huh? That's it. The assembly will remain same. Two graphite rods which are inert electrodes which will never participate in the chemical reactions. Next, one is the graphite rod which is connected to the positive terminal of a DC source, acts as the anode. This is your anode, students. Okay, and this is your cathode. The reactions are as follows. What happens? So aqueous sodium chloride, when you dissolve sodium chloride in water, sodium chloride dissociates into sodium ions and chloride ions. At anode, what happens? Students, केव्हा we will discuss at cathode. काही हिशोब एकच आहे तो. शेवटी we have to add itself. At cathode, what happens? Sodium ions are there. Aqueous sodium chloride dissociates into sodium ions. At cathode, sodium ions take up electrons. Sodium ions take up electrons from the cathode and deposit in the form of sodium metal, which is in solid form. Here the electrode potential is minus 2.71 volt. तुम्ही म्हणा टीचर ह्याचा अर्थ काय होतं? The electrode potential is minus 2.7, म्हणजे जे नेगेटिव्ह ऍक्ट होईल minus 2.71 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट मीन्स एवढं व्होल्टेज मिळणार आपल्याला, बट इन मायनस. And important, aqueous sodium chloride. Students, इथं reaction थांबत नाही. Sodium competes with water because sodium is dissolved in water here. Sodium chloride is dissolved in water. So at cathode, two types of reactions compete with each other. At cathode, reduction reaction takes place where two reduction reactions compete. They have a competition with each other, where water, what does it do? It takes up electrons from the cathode. It takes up electrons from the cathode and liberates hydrogen gas. Along with two hydroxyl ions. Here the standard potential, I tell you the reason behind this. हे आपण शिकणार, पण नंतर स्टँडर्ड पोटेन्शियल म्हणजे जे व्होल्टेज मिळतं ना, द स्टँडर्ड पोटेन्शियल इज minus 0.83 volt. आता तुम्ही म्हणा टीचर हे का लिहिता तुम्ही? कॉन्सन्ट्रेट स्टुडंट्स, मी परत सांगते, we are replacing molten sodium chloride by aqueous sodium chloride. At the cathode, reduction reduction takes place because cathode is rich in electrons. Sodium ions move to cathode, take electrons from the cathode, deposit in the form of sodium metal. The potential difference developed is minus 2.71 volt. Okay, done. Sodium competes with water molecule also, where water molecule undergoes reduction to give hydrogen gas at the cathode. सांगायचं काय तुम्हाला मुलांनो, इथं कोण जिंकतं मग? रेस लागलेली आहे, सोडियम काय वॉटर. कंपेअर करा हे. द पोटेन्शियल ऑफ वॉटर, द स्टँडर्ड पोटेन्शियल ड्युरिंग इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस ऑफ वॉटर इज हायर. मायनस 0.83 हे हायर झालं, मायनस 2.71 हे लोअर झालं. सो दिस इज द विनर हिअर. म्हणजे कॅथोडकडे सोडियम आयॉन्स डिसॉल्व्ह होत नाहीत, डिपॉझिट होत नाहीत. तुम्ही जर ॲक्वेस सोडियम क्लोराइड घेतला, ॲट द कॅथोड sodium ions are not deposited but hydrogen gas is liberated. Okay, आता at the anode, simple. At anode, who will move to anode? Obviously chloride ions. Chloride ions move to the anode, liberate electrons at the anode to liberate chlorine gas. Anode is deficient in electrons, hence electrons are donated at anode. Cathode is rich in electrons, hence electrons are gained from cathode. That's it. हे production नाही होत मुलांनो, हे फक्त circulation आहे. That's it. Chlorine gas. Okay. Chlorine again competes with water, students. Water molecule. Water molecule, what does it do? Water molecule undergoes oxidation. At anode, oxidation takes place. Oxidation म्हणजे काय? Loss of electron. At cathode, reduction takes place. Reduction means what? Gain of electrons. So, water undergoes oxidation to form oxygen, giving two hydrogen ions. Giving two hydrogen ions and two electrons also. Here, the standard potential due to electrolysis of chlorine gas is round about minus 1.36 volt. Round about how much? Minus 1.36 volt. And water, the potential is just minus 0.4 volt. म्हणजे who is the winner? This is the winner. This is the winner म्हणजे काय? At anode, oxygen should be liberated. Let me repeat. At cathode, who is the winner? Electrolysis of water is the winner. Hydrogen gas is liberated. Sodium चं काय होतं टीचर? Just wait. 5 minutes to wait. Hydrogen gas is liberated. हा विनर कशाला? कारण त्याचं पोटेन्शियल हायर आहे. इथं दोघांचं पोटेन्शियल इफ यू कंपेअर, पोटेन्शियल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस ऑफ वॉटर इज हायर. म्हणजे ऑक्सिजन शुड बी लिबरेटेड, बट इट डज नॉट हॅपन बिकॉज ऑफ ओव्हर व्होल्टेज अँड पेल ग्रीन कलर. क्लोरीन गॅस इटसेल्फ इज लिबरेटेड ॲट द एनोड. म्हणजे जरी actually practically speaking oxygen gas should be liberated, but because of over voltage. Now you may ask me, over voltage म्हणजे काय? आपल्याला actually हे voltage इतकं दिसतं, पण ह्याच्यापेक्षा जास्त असतं ते. Practically if you compare, it will be minus round about 3.9 volt. When you write the reaction, you write it as minus 0.4 volt. म्हणजे practically oxygen gas should be liberated at the anode as its potential is higher. Actually the value is not true. If you consider the electrochemical series, definitely chlorine gas has a higher potential compared to oxygen. That's it. कळते? म्हणजे कोण कोण विनर आता? हा एक विनर and this is the winner here. Therefore, overall reaction दोन्ही add करा students. झालं. Overall reaction is what then? Add 2H2O plus electrons giving rise to hydrogen gas plus 2OH minus 2Cl minus giving rise to Cl2 plus 2E minus. झालं. Total add करा. The overall reaction is as follows: 2H2O plus 2Cl minus giving rise to, ये इसके साथ cancel out. ठीक है? What happens? Giving rise to H2 plus 2OH प्लस 2Cl2 एंड्स द जॉब. मग तुम्ही म्हणा टीचर सोडियमचं काय? सोडियम तर राहिलं तसं बिचारा एकटा. सी हिअर सोडियम डझंट हिअर बिकॉज हिअर क्लोरीन इज इन्वॉल्व. ऑक्सिजन गॅस ओव्हर व्होल्टेजमुळे ऑक्सिजन गॅस लिबरेटच होत नाही. हां, व्हॉट अबाउट सोडियम? सोडियम इधर देखो गाड़ी. सोडियम reacts with hydroxyl ion to form a very important compound which is called sodium hydroxide. म्हणजे एक तीर में दो निशान means we are performing electrolysis of sodium chloride due to which we are getting chlorine gas at the anode, hydrogen gas at the cathode, which is a very important gas. You have not studied this, म्हणून तुम्हाला ते माहिती नाही आहे. Plus sodium ions which are involved in the chemical reaction, they react with hydroxyl ion to form a very important base, a strong base, that is continuous formation of sodium hydroxide. Ends the job. कळलं? You instead of, I'll repeat, instead of fused NaCl, you take aqueous NaCl. At the cathode, sodium ions and water molecule compete. Sodium loses, water molecule wins. Why? Because its potential is higher. At anode, chlorine gas is liberated and water also compete. Oxygen gas is liberated. Though the potential of water is higher, still chlorine gas is liberated at the anode because of a process which is called over voltage. Over voltage म्हणजे एक्सपेरिमेंटच्या वेळेला व्होल्टेज त्याचं जास्त होतं ऑक्सिजन लिबरेट व्हायला. दॅट्स इट. सो हु इज द विनर हिअर? हे दोन विनर्स आहेत. ऍड करा, जॉब इज ओव्हर. That's it. Clear students? So this is what is electrolysis of fused aqueous sodium chloride. Fused sodium chloride आपण अगोदर घेतलं. गाठ बांधलो, हे आन्सर्स मात्र येतात एक्झामला. काही करा, अभ्यास करा, ते आन्सर्स मात्र येतात. ठीक आहे? फॉर टुडे आय विल स्टॉप. कारण पुढचा जो पार्ट आहे ना ते सगळं प्रॉब्लेमशी रिलेटेड आहे. ते फॉर्म्युला तुम्हाला नीट लिहून देते इन द नेक्स्ट पिरियड. डन स्टुडंट्स? ओके, विल स्टॉप फॉर टुडे. विल कंटिन्यू टुमॉरो अगेन.